Zussman. Today we're going to talk about trees, and apple trees in particular. Here's a tree that has nothing on it. So in your pencil box, you're going to use your crayons, your markers. You're going to decorate the tree trunk. What color is yours going to be? It could be brown, it could be whatever color you choose. And on the top, there's nothing on there. So you're going to make it whatever you think an apple tree will look like. Is it going to have buds on there? Is it going to have flowers on there? Is it going to have apples on there? If there's apples, what color apples are you going to have? Is there going to be leaves on the branches? You decide. Then you can keep this at home. The other thing we have today is a number writing project. Write your name on the top. Return this when you are done. We'll put a homework sticker on there so you know how to send it back to me. There's number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you're going to practice writing on this one. You can use a crayon, a marker, a pencil, and you're just going to trace over it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do your best work, and if it's not perfect, don't worry about it. Just do your best and try. Thanks, friends. Have a good day.